Alright, back at it again with the Weber pellet grill. Today I'm doing attempting to do a spatchcock chicken. I just brought it home and I'm just gonna spatchcock it. I like that word, spatchcock. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna spatchcock it and do a little seasoning on there, and then put it on the grill. I got the grill set to 350. I'm bending over because the camera or iPad is so low. Anyway, there you have it. We'll see when I put the bird on the grill. Hey guys, take a look. You want to look at the chicken? Internal's about 123. Oh, can you see that? Man, that sucker's looking good. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Thank you very much. And we'll see you again soon. Ah! There you go. There's the finished product. Sweet. Looking good. Yeah, buddy. All right. Thanks for watching. All right, there's Jewish rye bread, my chicken, and then I'm going to put a piece of cheese in here. So, alright, never mind. Here, I'll put it on there with the plastic on there. Oh, there. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.